Hey everyone, I'm Pallavi Sharma and you are watching Art from Heart tutorial. So let's begin.
These are the materials that we're gonna use to draw an eye. This is rough sketch of an eye. I'm going to outline it with pencil and our next step would be shading. It's time to draw some light details. You should hold the pencil from middle for a flawless shade. Well, I always prefer to draw layer by layer and I would suggest you to. Now fill the pupil with darker pencil. Or you can also use 8B or 9B pencil. Okay, now it's time to add some textures in the eye and you just have to add this straight line. Quickly grab your mono eraser or correction pen and add this dotted line like this. Here I am shading the outer part and you should not forget to hold your pencil lightly while shading. Draw the lashes in the slightly curved shape. You can also add extra hair as you like. adding some extra detail in it. Here we go. Your hyper-realistic drawing is ready. Hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.